Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here for sale a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with living, dining, kitchen, front and back patio, carport and a self-contained 1-bedroom with bath and kitchenette grilled. This is a lovely property to call home. The land area of this house is approximately 7,509 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 499,000 or Jamaican $76.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.